This is Jatin from Tech Trade, and today I'm going to show you how to use Tor browser with your Selenium web drivers. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you some code over here. That's a code I wrote for running Selenium. Oh, sorry, Tor browser. So let's just see what it actually does. Is just run it. So I just run the application. So as you can see here is it's Firefox browser, that's Mozilla Firefox, and in just a second you will see a Tor browser opening over here that you just saw the Tor status. So here the Tor browser is open, and but in the very first screen I just show you that I am in Google India. Right now I'm in India, but after opening the Tor browser it took me to Google North. I don't know where it is, but it worked. So I am surfing from that continent or whatever country that is. And for that, let me just show you the quick review of the code. Over here, I set the property for Firefox driver, and then I just set some file directory path, and then just the binary path, and then I create a new object of Firefox profile. And over here, I set some preference for Tor browser, and after that I had a thread sleep to wait for 10 seconds and then open Google to check whether it is working or not. And if you often used have to kill the browser that I just killed, that you just saw, that then you just copy this code over here, these two functions, and that will work just fine for you. And if you need this code, I will put it in the description below, so just use it. And please, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.